This is Anushri, your tarot coach. A tarot reading for those who were born on the 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of any month. First is career, business, relationship, finances, health and overall. So for those who are born on the 1st, in terms of career, business, I have the Queen of Swords. She is asking you to not mince words, to not dilly-dally, to not be confused about decisions. You never are. If you need this sign or this message from the universe, then here it is. Go make that decision regarding your career or your business. You already have certain plans in mind. Be direct, approach people, say it like it is. Bring that clarity that you already have in your mind out in action. In terms of relationship, I have the Tower. If you are going through a difficult time, now this is if you are going through a difficult time in your relationship with your loved ones, know that this difficult time was meant to be. There was nothing that you could stop from it happening, and there will be a phase of resurrection. There will be a phase of coming back from the situation, but you have to be patient. Do not blame yourself, the environment and people around. Learn. I know this can be tough to hear, but learn from the situation. Learn from the past mistakes. Do not go into self-blame. Be careful about your health, because it's always mind over matter. So your health can get affected if you do not take care of your mental health. So take care of that and do not blame yourself. In terms of finances, I have 5 of Cups. The message for you in terms of finances is do not brood over past losses. Come out of it, accept the truth and move on to what you need to do next. The emotions, I can see that you're mostly emotional about your financial decisions if there has been certain losses, but it's time to move on. In terms of your health, if you have been delaying going to the doctor, or if you've been delaying getting the kind of right help medically, then here's a sign: do not do that. Do approach the right method. Also, do not forget the divine power. If you are a spiritual person and if you believe in a higher being, then it is time to reconnect with that source, the higher source. So I want you to remember that. So the overall message is about leading with purpose, leading with direction, owning your life without giving in to circumstances, and being clear about where you want to be. So that's my message for you. And comment if you resonated with it, and I would love to hear your feedback.